Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, today is another fall look for you guys. Even though the weather in Texas is still super hot. I mean, I've got followers from other parts of the world where it's getting cold, so it gives me an excuse to do fall looks. But anyway, today I did this brown smoky eye with a smoked out wing liner. So if you want to see how I created it, please keep watching. Alright, so to start today's look, I'm going to do my eyes before my face for once. And I already did my brows and I carved them out with concealer, but I'm just going to set my eyelids using some concealer as well. This is Smashbox's Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. I dropped it, of course. You know me. And I'm just going to plop that on my eyelids. And I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Eyes Build and Blend brush. I'm going to use, it's got two sides, I'm going to use this bigger side and just blend that out. You can also bring it across a little bit because we haven't done our face yet. Don't gotta worry about going too far with this. And then to set my eyelids, I'm so excited for today's eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using Morphe's 3503 palette. I'm going to be setting my eyelids with Trance, this first top left shade. I'm going to go in using my ColourPop F5 brush to just brush this all over. All the way up to my brow bone. So next I'm going to go in with my transition shade in my crease, and I'm going to be going in with the OG. It is the 6th color across the top row. And I'm going to pick this up on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 brush. I'm just going to wing all of these colors out. I'm going to be fading all of these browns that I'm about to use into a black wing. So I just want to make sure all of the shadows wing out. I like to just use a clean fluffy brush if I end up going up too high with any shadows. You want to keep that brow bone light. Next I'm going to be going in with Domination. It is the first color in the 4th row. And I'll be picking this up on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush. I'm just going to blend this into the outer V and on top of the lid. And out into a V. Out into a wing. Blending it out into a wing. Just continuously blending this further and further into your inner corner, but leaving a little bit of light. You can always pick up some of the OG. And blend that out of there. Just want to make sure everything blends seamlessly. And now to deepen it up even more, I'm going to be going in with Stamina, the first color in the very last row. And I'll be taking this on my ColourPop E9 brush. Just packing that in the outer corner. And dragging that in. And using that brush with Domination to blend that out. Alright, and now we're going to go in with our liner because I'm going to smudge that out. I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Life Liner, and I'm going to use the pencil liner end. And I'm just going to draw a line along my lash line. Going thin, thicker. Oh no, I broke it. Guys, this is the saddest moment of my life. Why? I'm just making a little wing here, just to smudge out. I'm gonna do one at a time just in case this liner dries. I don't know if it does or not. So picking up Smoked Out, the very last shade in the palette, I'm gonna smoke out this line. Picking up a little bit on my Morphe M515. It's a teeny tiny pencil brush. I'm just going to get that directly on the liner. Blacken that up. Kind of set the liner. And then just start blending the line out. Picking up a smudger brush, this is my Sigma E21 brush. I'm gonna grab some of Stamina and just blend that into the black. And alternating between those two. Now before I continue with my eyes, I'm just going to do my face really quickly. You guys have seen me do my face, so I'm probably just going to speed this up a little bit, but I'll let you know what products I'm using. So to prime my face, I'm going to be using Mercier's Foundation Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation, and this is in Cardamon 23. I think I'm going to mix it with Sable number 12. I am just going to conceal next, using my Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer in Light Medium Warm Olive. To set this, I'm going to be going in with Mercier's Translucent Setting Powder, and this is the Glow one. And then setting the concealer using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush. Oh wow, that was a little bit too glowy. Alright, so hard regrets on the glow because now my under eye is highlight. So I didn't expect that much glow out of the Laura Mercier, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and use my regular Too Faced Translucent Setting Powder. Alright, I don't know if going over this with the translucent will help, but we're gonna try. Okay, it helped, it did. And then going in with a fluffier brush, this is my MAC 326 SES brush. It's just this really pretty brush. Do a little swipe. So now I'm just going to warm up my face using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit Light to Medium in these two shades. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe S94 brush. Kind of create a line. Whoa. Guys, today's a mess. JK, this will blend out. The other one did not blend out. Alright, now to continue my eyes, I'm going to go back in with the Huda Beauty eyeliner and just pop this on my waterline. Going back in with that pencil brush and Smoked Out. I'm going to use a bigger brush this time. This is my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH39. And I'm going to pick up that Stamina and just blend that black out. Then I'm just going to blend it out with that brush, with that clean fluffy brush. Alright, and then I'm just going to do some liner, and I'm going to go in with the liquid side. Just gonna go in with some blush really quick, and this is my Mercier Chai blush. Going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. I love this blush because I think it goes really well with brown looks. And then for highlight, I'm gonna be going with Mercier's Face Illuminator in Indescretion. I'm gonna highlight the nose and the bridge, Cupid's bow, and our inner corner. And then going in with liner one more time, I'm just gonna go and pop a little inner wing. And lastly, I'm going to go in with some lashes. No, wait, this is not lastly because of what's going on here. So I'm going to be going in with Velour lashes in Run the World. Before I pop on some mascara, I'm going to do my lips. And my lips are super dry right now, so I'm just going to put some lip balm on. I'm going to line my lips using Mahogany by MAC. And I'm actually going to be filling this in with NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede Lip in Cherry Skies. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And if you guys do want to recreate this look, don't forget to take pictures and tag me at Chelseasmakeup on Instagram. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.